Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating isolated browser contexts so sessions don't share cookies or local storage. Open 2 or more distinct profiles, containers, or separate browsers and sign into different accounts. This prevents YouTube from merging sessions. Once done, disable ad blockers and autoplay blockers that alter telemetry. You want each context to simulate an independent viewer. Make sure video quality and playback settings are consistent across contexts, so watch metrics are comparable and reliable. Now you orchestrate playback so each context behaves like a real viewer. Load the same video and align start times within a few seconds. Use a stopwatch or synchronized autoplay script to trigger playback simultaneously. Keep quality and speed identical, 1080p and 1x recommended, because different settings can affect buffering and watch events. Do not seek or rapidly skip. Let the timeline progress naturally. This ensures watch time accumulates per account and reduces discrepancies caused by buffering or client-side heuristics. Finish by stopping playback only after the intended watch threshold and closing each context cleanly so telemetry flushes. Then check each account's analytics to confirm incremental watch time. Expect some delay before numbers update. If results don't appear, verify that contexts were truly isolated, clear caches, and disable any background sync or extensions. If problems persist, retry with slightly staggered starts or longer continuous play. These adjustments address server-side deduplication and buffering that can block multiple simultaneous watch attributions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.